नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। बातें भूल जाती है, यादें याद आती हैं। बातें भूल जाती है, यादें याद आती हैं। ये यादें किसी दिलो जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं। यादें यादें यादें। ये जीवन दिल जानी दरिया का है पानी। पानी तो बह जाए, बाकी क्या रह जाए।
Happy birthday, Sapna.
It's special day to say that you are a perfect daughter in every way. Happy birthday, Sapna.
Hi सपना, नियर और फार wherever you are, आप जियो हजारों साल। मे सक्सेस एंड जॉय बी योर्स, यही मेरे दिल की है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
With miles to go, wish you a very happy birthday for years to go. Happy birthday, Didi.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए। तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, आहा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, आहा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सपना, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हे सपना बेटा, एक तेरे से बात कहना चाहती हूँ जो गाने के थ्रू बोलना चाह रही हूँ। कभी तू डॉक्टर लगती है, कभी तू डांसर लगती है, कभी तू टीचर लगती है, कभी तू मेरे पोता पोती की मम्मी लगती है बेटा। और एक मेरी दिल की ख्वाहिश है जो मैं तेरे को बताना चाह रही हूँ कि जल्दी से जल्दी अभी मुझे छोटी सपना भी चाहिए जो तू पूरा कर सकती है जल्दी ही। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हमेशा खुश रहो, हमेशा सदा सुखी रहो, फूलो फलो। हैप्पी बर्थडे
सपना। एक मैसेज तो मेरा भी है, एक बार जो तू करने की ठान लेती है तो फिर अब खुद की भी नहीं सुनती। जीता जागता हाल ही का एक एग्जाम्पल है दुकान डाइट। इतना कठिन डाइट का प्रोग्राम सिर्फ तू ही कर सकती थी, और मैंने बहुत नज़दीक से देखा है तूने किस इंटरेस्ट से किया है उसको। और एक चीज़, पिछले 5 महीनों में तूने इतनी नई नई चीज़ें बना के खिलाई है मुझे, और मुझे हमेशा फ्राइडे का इंतज़ार रहता था कब सपना आएगी, जल्दी आएगी ऑफिस से, और आज क्या नया चीज़ बनाने वाली है उसका थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया मुझे क्रोगर की लिस्ट से लग जाता था। और क्रोगर का तो मैं कोना कोना जानता हूँ, तेरी लिस्ट लेके घूमता हूँ। मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे सपना। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000।
We love you सपना।
We all love you. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Sapna. Have a great 31st birthday.
Let me start with telling you that you're the most amazing person. I am blessed to have you as my sister. I adore you for your intelligence, and you have inspired me in doing a lot of things, and I will never forget that. You have been a mentor, even though you are a little sister. Anyway, this is for you, my sister. Hey, 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 ho, 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 ho. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. Thank you, Parag.
Hi Sapna Di, wish you a very happy birthday. We have a lot of good things to say about you, but I would definitely like to tell you today that I'm very happy to have a sister-in-law like you. I really admire your boldness, your social nature, and your strong determination. We all are very proud of you and your achievements. You've always been motivational and encouraging. Please keep it up, and also maybe we all wish you all the happiness and success in your life, and may all your dreams come true. Parag, thank you for giving us all this opportunity, and I'm sure it is a very thoughtful gift, and Sapna is going to cherish it all through her life. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday and have fun. Have a fantabulous 31st birthday.
Hi Sapna Bola. Happy birthday. Hi Chance. Love you.
हाय सपना, हैप्पी बर्थडे. जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. ये साल तुम्हारे लिए बहुत सुखदायक हो. पुष्पा, अरुण जी, पराग को मेरा हेलो. अर्णव को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत प्यार करना.
हॅलो भाभी, वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. तुमचं हे वर्ष तुम्हाला खूप छान जाऊ देत. तुमच्या सगळ्या इच्छा पूर्ण होऊ देत. Lots of love to Arnav. Hi to Parag Bhaiya. Pranam to Masi Masaji. Have loads of fun.
Now my turn.
Yes.
Please record. Hi Bobby. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great year ahead. Hope you like the surprise. Parag bhai. And lots of love to Arnav. Hello Masi Masaji.
Hi Sapna. Wish a very happy birthday. Have a good day. I hope you're enjoying the party so far, and this has come as a surprise. This is like the 10th time that we're trying to record a video message for you. Never thought it's going to be so difficult, and I am like thinking how actors perform in front of cameras. We're having such a hard time just saying happy birthday. Have a good day. We're missing you guys. Hopefully next year, probably Sonal's birthday or my birthday or some occasion, we celebrate together. Have fun. Enjoy the party.
बंद नहीं हो रहा है. Hi Sapna, many happy returns of the day. Hope you had a great day, and this surprise was a well kept secret, and I think the videos come out really well. So God bless, and have a great year ahead. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Sapna, happy birthday to you. Miss you.
Hi Sapna Mommy. Happy birthday.
Hi Sapna, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hi Sapna, wish you many happy returns of the day. Take care.
Hey Sapna, hey Parag, what's up? You know what? ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग का फंडा है ना, we've been trying this like 2-3 days. सुबोध का फोन आता है, अरे रिकॉर्ड करो, भेजो, ये भेजो, वो भेजो. Oh, Parag really pulls this off well. Parag, do the editing properly, and hope you all have a great party, and hope you love the surprise and the video that we've all sent from India. But have a great day, have a great year ahead, and wish you a very happy birthday. With lots of love from all of us here. Give your love to Arnav as well. Bye.
Hi Sapna, happy birthday. Hope you have the greatest day and greatest year ahead. Enjoy your party and hope we get to celebrate your birthday next year with us. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah. Love you.
Hi Bhabhi. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hello Sapna.
Hello, many returns of the day.
Happy birthday.
So what's happening around? Everything prepared? It's heavily raining in India, in Bombay especially.
Bye Sapna.
Okay, bye. See you soon.
Okay Bhabhi. Bye. Have a great day.
Sapna reminds me of all the fun memories I have from high school and living in Talegaon. Sapna, can you believe it? The first time we met would be in 7th grade when I moved from Hyderabad to Talegaon and joined Mount St. Anne School, and that was almost 20 years ago. It seems like a really long time, but the memories from high school are still so fresh. One thing I cannot forget about high school is the 5-star group. It was Sapna, me, Tejal, Elizabeth and Padmaja, and we used to call ourselves 5 stars. It's really ridiculous now to think that we actually had a name for our group. Another thing I cannot forget of time spent with Sapna was during our summer before the 10th board exams. Sapna and I used to take classes in Lonavala, and during the summer every day we would go travel from the Talegaon to Lonavala by local train, and on our trip back home we would stop at this one store where we used to buy samosas and kachoris for our train ride back home. Oh man, it was so much fun. I really hope you have a great day today, Sapna. A very happy birthday.
Hello, Sapna, Parag, and cute little Arnav. This is my message for Sapna on her 31st birthday. So, first impressions. Well, let me see. I had landed in Cincinnati and was really jet lagged. This was like 6 years ago, and I was lying down in my living room at the temporary house I was allotted. So, well, me,
Parag, Saurabh Chimote and Ashay were roommates at that time. So, well, I'm lying down and I hear a knock on the door and I see Chimote, which was kind of annoying to begin with. So, and behind him was Sapna. So I said hi to both of them and went back to sleep. I did later kind of felt bad realizing she's my classmate and I should have greeted her properly, but not my fault. I mean, you shouldn't have come with Chimote. This pic is kind of interesting. This is an outing we went to during our first week in Cincinnati. So we have Carol on the left, and then there's me, and then there's Sapna, and we have Parag, who is behind the camera in this pic. Let me go to the next slide. Okay, first impressions. Well, this is one of the pic from Kropnis, which was a camp we all went to during our first month in the US. And Sapna really liked taking pictures at that time. I guess she still does. And I mean, she took a lot of them sometimes, and we had to be careful so that she doesn't capture something embarrassing. And let me go to the next slide. And now this is me doing the chicken dance, and which was like promptly captured by Sapna with her camera. So I mean, I was off guard for one moment and this happened. Well, let me go to the next slide now. Sapna as a friend. Well, she's one of my time-tested, reliable and sensible friends. She always gives sound advice, and I've always appreciated that. Though, I mean, so far I haven't acknowledged it, so I'm acknowledging it now. Thanks for that, Sapna. Let me go to the next slide. Message on her birthday. Well, happy 31st birthday once again, and I'm proud of your achievements. Keep smiling and stay happy.
Hi Sapna, happy birthday! I hope you're having a great day and have a beautiful, beautiful year ahead. It's been what, 6 years that I know you? Yeah, it's been 6 years. And you've not just been a roommate, you've probably been more than that. And I guess I've probably shared with you more than I've shared anything else with anyone. You're the ultimate BFF, I would call, at this point. I guess we've all moved on. We've all had our stories written, moved on with our lives. But I'm glad that I've always had you around. Thank you for being there. Happy birthday again, and I will see you very soon. Take care.
Hi Sapna, wishing you a very happy birthday. Can't believe how quickly time flies. It's been almost 6 years since I've known you. When we first met, I thought of you as a beer guzzler and a girl who had a real perverted mind. That was quite fun things that we did and what we talked. It was all tacit. We had good times in Cincinnati as well as in SAP, and it's been great knowing you. You have been such a wonderful friend. My wife recommends you to read 50 Shades of Grey. When you read it, you will thank me for it, trust me. Anyway, have a wonderful birthday and a great life ahead. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sapna. Happy birthday to you. Cheers!
अब जाके बंद करना पड़ेगा।
अरे बंद करना पड़ेगा, तुम कुछ बोलोगे?
दारू पी के सच सच कह रहे हैं। Happy birthday.
We are already celebrating. Cheers once again.
Happy birthday!
Happy 25th.
हो गया?
Yeah.
किसी को कोई पर्सनल मैसेज?
तुम जियो हजारों साल, हमारी यही है कामना, और तुम अभी ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट हो एंड जस्ट डोंट चेंज. लव यू.
ओके, रघु.
Cheers.
शालिनी.
Sweetie, happy birthday once again and may you have a wonderful year.
ओके. सपना, हैप्पी बर्थडे. बाय. एंड
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wish you Undhya and Dhoklas and Khandvi too.
Happy birthday
Sapna.
to you.
Wish you a very good birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Hello. When I first met Sapna, interestingly enough, it was also for the first time on video camera. She was one of 2 candidates that I was interviewing, both from UC, and she impressed me as somebody who was dedicated, serious, and yet had a great personality and had the mind to be able to work with the business as well as understand the IT side of it. So I was very enthusiastic about working with her, but never did I, in my wildest dreams, imagine that she would become the friend that she has. She is absolutely fantastic, as bubbly and warm and friendly a person as you could ever possibly meet. Very genuine, very honest and upright. I really appreciate her friendship, and I love the female interaction I was finally able to get in the IT world. She deserves all the happiness in the world. Happy birthday, sweetie. Have a good year, and may the next couple of decades bring you even more happiness and more success. Love.
Sapna, it was really nice to have met you. I think our lunches are very special. Our girls' night out. Many of the things that you've actually started has really been nice and exciting in our lives, and hope you stay the same. Hope to have a long-term friendship with you and wish you many happy years, and happy birthday to you. And not to forget, we're gonna soon see a great dancer in you, Sapna. I can't forget your Shakuntala pose. So happy birthday again. Have fun.
Hey Sapna, your very sweet husband asked us to produce a video about you and think how we would describe you. And I think that when I think about you, you're always very happy. Even though when you were frustrated, you still have this nice smile on your face, and you're very optimistic. So feel like I can gain a lot of support from you as a friend. Just very optimistic and a very nice attitude about life. And thank you for giving me my very special Indian name, the Chi name. And I want to wish you a very happy birthday, and also in Chinese, 生日快乐. And a very nice meeting you, and having you as a friend and colleague here is really lucky.
Hey Sapna, this is to wish you on your birthday and a few things about you that I noticed when I met you first. I think you're extremely enthusiastic and you're a very fun-loving person. You're always the first one to be gung-ho about arranging parties and things like that. Stay the same and hope you have a great day today.
Janamdin Mubarak, Sapna.
तुमसे ही दिन होता है, सुरमई शाम आती है, तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है, जिंदगी कहलाती है, तुमसे ही ना है ये पाना, ना खोना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है।
दिल खो गया हो गया किसी का, अब रास्ता मिल गया खुशी का, आँखों में है ख्वाब सा किसी का, अब रास्ता मिल गया खुशी का, रिश्ता नया रब्बा दिल छू रहा है, खींचे मुझे कोई डोर तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, हाय रब्बा तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, हाय रब्बा तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर।
Hello everyone, to whoever is watching this great video put together by a very loving husband. By the way, I'm in my storage area of my office on a Thursday evening. So after bugging everybody for 10 days for sending their videos, finally I do my own video. So by now you've heard Sapna, you're a terrific sister, great friend, great co-worker, great daughter. So I thought I'll save the best for last. It's gonna be 6 years in a month that we both got here in Cincinnati, and it's been such a great journey together. I cannot think Cincinnati without you, and you've been the most loving wife. You bring a lot of ambition in me. You make me aim higher. I love the way you take care of me. Love the way you take care of Arnav. The way you be calm under situations when I panic. I think we complement each other very well, and it's just been a fabulous 6 years, starting from 11-12 to 2631. So even I thought I'll sing a song for you, and typically I sing like jab se, jab we met se tumse hi, or ek din aap yu humse mil jayenge. But maybe it's the video that bar I've been thinking of this song. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हमें तुमसे प्यार इतना. I love you, sweetheart. I am truly blessed and lucky to have you and Arnav in my life. I have one more thing to do before I sign off. The way you've always said to me ki I never gave you like a surprise proposal to marry. It's just the way it worked out. We just decided to get married. So here I am, going on my knees, opening an imaginary ring Sapna, will you marry me? You say yes. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Bye.
चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू, ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू। चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू, ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू। चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू, ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू। जीती हूँ मैं बस तुझे देख के, इस टूटे दिल का सहारा है तू। चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू। तू खेले खेल गई, मेरा खिलौना है तू। तू खेले खेल गई, मेरा खिलौना है तू। जिससे बंधी हर आशा मेरी, मेरा सपना सलोना है तू। नन्हा सा है कितना सुंदर है तू, छोटा सा है कितना प्यारा है तू। चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू।
Dance. I love dance.
मेरे हाथ थाम कर इधर बिठा लिया, रात ने इशारे से उधर बुला लिया।
पराग, लाइट बढ़ा ना थोड़ा। लाइट।
मेरा दोस्ताना मुसा